Looking for the best Power BI course on Coursera? In this review, I'll explain which Power BI program is worth your time and who it's best suited for. Before we begin, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. If you're starting from scratch, my top recommendation is the Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Professional Certificate. It's one of the most popular Power BI programs on Coursera and is designed for beginners. You'll learn Power BI, SQL, data modeling, dashboards, business intelligence, and data visualization. Since it's created by Microsoft, the skills are directly aligned with what employers expect. Another excellent option is Microsoft Data Analysis with SQL, Excel, and Power BI. This specialization is perfect if you want to learn the complete analytics workflow instead of just Power BI. Along with building dashboards, you'll also develop practical SQL and Excel skills that are essential for data analyst roles. If your main goal is learning Power BI visualization, check out Data Analysis and Visualization with Power BI from Microsoft. This shorter course focuses on creating interactive dashboards, reports, and visualizations. It's a great option if you already know Excel and SQL and simply want to strengthen your Power BI skills. So, which course should you choose? If you want a complete career credential, go with the Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Professional Certificate. If you want broader data analytics skills, choose the SQL, Excel, and Power BI specialization. And if you only want to master Power BI reporting, the standalone visualization course is an excellent choice. Buying all these courses individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Microsoft, Google, IBM, Meta, and many of the world's leading universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, bringing the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're serious about building job-ready business intelligence skills, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If this review helped you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.